On today's Bat on a Budget, we're going to be unboxing and reviewing this awesome Premier Collection Batman the Animated Series Harley Quinn statue from Diamond Select. That's up next. Alright everybody, welcome back, and like I said, today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing this awesome Harley Quinn statue from Diamond Select. But before we get to that, I'm going to ask, if you are not a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button down below. And if you enjoy this type of content, please give this video a thumbs up. It does help people just like you find this content. And if you want to take it one step further, hit that notification bell down below. That does notify you every single time we do upload a new video, and that way you'll be the first to know and see this content. So again, thank you guys so very much. But now let's get to the review and the unboxing. So again, this is unique for me because this is my first Diamond Select piece that is a resin piece. All the pieces that I've reviewed so far have been PVC or a type of plastic, and so this is a resin. This of course is again from Batman the Animated Series, which is really cool, and it is limited edition of 3,000 pieces, and it's hand sculpted by Claiborne Moore, which is really awesome. So I'm really excited. You know, if you watch this channel, you know I'm a big Batman the Animated Series fan, so I'm really excited to see what this is all about. So let's go ahead and just get into the unboxing right now. Well, I guess I'll show you the box first. I know some of you really are going to want to see that. Really cool box art on the side. You're going to see the same picture of the statue itself, and then some really cool information there on the back with another photo of the statue, and then of course the other side. So again, these are really cool, and let's go ahead and get into it. I want to see what she looks like. So I'm going to open up the box, and oh, right off the bat, this is really cool. So, oh, that's cool. So this is a certificate of authenticity. I'll show you what it looks like there. A lot of times they're just ads for other products that they offer, but this is actually a certificate of authenticity. It is hand numbered. This one is 1,188 out of 3,000, so I really appreciate that. Again, it's really cool because this is a resin statue, so you actually have that certificate. Really, really cool that they did that from Diamond Select. I really appreciate that. All right, so another difference right off the bat, a lot of the other pieces that I reviewed, they do have that plastic clamshell. Well, this is actually the styrofoam, just like any other regular resin statue, and so that's really nice. And let's see what we get. Opened it upside down, that's all right. All right. Set her off right here. Get this out of the way, and we'll see what we get. Wow, she is a cool piece. That's awesome. She's really stylized. I mean, she's really slender. I love the movement of her. It's my just initial impression here. Paint looks really good. Just about everywhere. I noticed maybe one area that I'll talk about here in a second that maybe could be just a bit better, but paint looks really good. It's got the rat-a-tat-tat flag here. That's really cool. So let me show you kind of what she looks like there, and then I'll do some close-up work as well to show you with the actual review. But my initial impression is she's really cool. She's a good size. She's 12 inches tall and has a lot of movement to her. So I could definitely see, if you're a Harley Quinn fan, especially a Batman the Animated Series fan, this is one you're going to want to pick up because it's very cool. And well, I'm just excited about it. It's cool. Let's go ahead and get into the close-up so you can see what she looks like. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and do our review here and show you some close-ups here of this Harley Quinn figure. I'm going to kind of do a 360 spin on her. I really like this piece just because how stylized she is. Just really impressive overall with paint and just the way she's posed. It's something definitely different, and it does, in my eyes, definitely capture that you know, that Batman Animated Series look. Just a really cool piece in my mind. Let me see if I can get you just a little bit closer here, so you can see some of her details in her face. I just think she's really well done. Her gun looks cool. Again, everything's very clean throughout. Let me again show you just around the back side here so you can see what she looks like. Again, the muscles look good in her suit. Nice shading. Face looks really good in my opinion. I'm going to pan down a little bit here and show you the base. Base is nice size. It's got that diamond look with the black and the red. Looks really cool. Spin that around too so you can see the back side of that. And let me pan back up a little bit here. Get some better light in the camera. This way you can see the whole figure as I spin it around. Just again, overall, I'm very impressed with this piece. Again, I just really like the angle of her. I just love, I don't know, just something about this piece that it really speaks to me. And I can definitely see this piece definitely being popular with Harley Quinn fans, or just Batman the Animated Series fans, period. Again, the cool thing is the size is nice and the price is nice, so I think it will allow a lot of collectors to pick this up. And the fact that it's resin instead of PVC. You know, I always prefer the resin pieces, but PVC pieces are getting to be, you know, equally as good, in my opinion, for this scale. Let me show you the Rat-a-tat-tat-too. Let me show you that so you can see that. I'm not sure if you... I'm going to kind of lean this forward a little bit. See if I can get that in focus. Isn't that fun? It's pretty awesome. And this is just kind of a papery plastic hanging off the gun there, so it's kind of like laminated. Make sure we get her back in focus here. Again, just a really cool statue in my eyes. I really like this one. I would definitely, you know, out of 10, I would give this one probably a 9. I just think that it's really well done. The one area I wanted to point out that I felt like was maybe a little sloppier paint-wise, it was just underneath. Let's see if I can get it in focus here for you guys. You see there's just a little tiny bit of a white bleed under there. And that's just this one. But that's the only spot that I see that there's any issue whatsoever. The rest of the statue, in my opinion, has amazing paint. I just don't see any issue at all with this one. And again, that's underneath, so it's not even something you would even notice, really. But again, I am very impressed with how this one is, how she turned out. I would definitely recommend her. Just a really cool piece. Alright guys, there you have it, a really cool Harley Quinn. What do you guys think? I'd like to know in your comments down below. I will also put a link down below if you would like to order from Amazon. Now she is retail about $150 because she is resin. Right now, as of this recording, she's on sale for $108 through Amazon, so I will include that link down below. I thought that was a pretty decent price. And again, this is not plastic, this is resin, so it is, you know, just that level of quality is there. So really cool piece. I really appreciate that from Diamond Select, and again I want to thank Diamond Select today for making this review possible. Just a really cool statue, and if you're a Harley Quinn fan, this is really cool, and it will not break the budget, it will not take up very much room, it would definitely fit in a DTOF or whatever display options you have. Just a really cool piece in my mind. So again, I recommend this one because again I'm a big fan. I don't know, I'll have to look if they do other pieces in this line, because this is definitely something that I would be interested in picking up because I absolutely love Batman the Animated Series, like I mentioned, and so this is something that I would be interested in, and the fact that it was actually sculpted by Claiborne Moore makes it even cooler. So again, let me know your thoughts down below. I'd love to hear it from you. Do you like this one? Is this something that you would consider picking up, or do you already own it? Tell me your thoughts about it. I'd love to read it. Again, I love to read every single comment, and I always try to respond to every single one. So I really appreciate that very, very much. As always, guys, thank you so very much for watching. Please let me know again down below if you enjoy the Bat in the Budget series. If you'd like me to keep this going, because I enjoy doing these smaller scale pieces, just because they're really awesome. And the quality's getting better and better, in my opinion. I think a lot of you agree as well. But anyway, thank you guys so very much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you right here in the Bat Cave.